Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to include external website into your web page using iframe. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, open your editor. I have Visual Studio Code. I'm going to open that. Okay, so how to include or how to display external website into your web page using iframe HTML tag. Okay, include or display external website into your web page or your project. So if you want to display an external website, you should use iframe tag. Okay, and it has two attributes, which is source. It defines the URL of the website which you want to display in your web page, and this is the frame border, which is 0, and you can set it 1, 2. For now I am going to remove the frame border. Okay, just I'm going to give for example, what should I display? For example, zaidvv.ch or .ch. You can display any website, www. For example, I'm going to display this website. Okay, or let me. This is a website, and I'm going to display in my web page. Okay, I'm going to copy the URL. Okay, and then paste here. Yeah, that's it. Very simple. So now let's save it, and let's open with live server how it looks like. As you can see, this is the website that I displayed on my web page. Okay, and let's give width and height for this iframe style with CSS. Okay, width for example, width should be 1000 or 1200 pixel, and height should be 900 pixel. And let's save it how it looks like. As you can see, now it looks better. As you can see, I included this external website into my web page. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you out with that. And if you're new here, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget it, please. Bye. See you in the next video.